Welcome to today's tutorial on adding borders in Google Docs. Whether you want to frame your content, create a decorative element, or emphasize specific sections, adding a border is a great choice. Let's get started. 1. Insert a new drawing. Click on the Insert menu at the top, choose Drawing and then select New. A drawing canvas will appear. Select a shape for your border. Click the shape icon within the drawing canvas. Choose a shape that works well as a border. Options include rectangles, framed rectangles, beveled rectangles, and folded corners. 2. Draw your border. Click at the top left corner of the drawing area. While holding down the mouse button, drag to create your border shape. Adjust the size and proportions as needed. 3. Customize your border. Use the toolbar at the top to customize your border. Change the background color, if desired. Adjust the border color, thickness, and style. Consider making the background color transparent for a clean look. 4. Save and close. Click Save and Close to save your border as an image. The border will overlap existing content initially. 5. Position the border. Click the 3 dots on the image, choose in front of text and then fix position on page. Drag the edges of the shape to cover the entire page. Congratulations! You've learned how to add a border in Google Docs using the Drawing feature. Get creative with your document design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.